Hi guys, Makanika here. Let me show you a little trick of the day to this our XZJ79 Toyota Land Cruiser. So when you wake up in the morning, you want to start your car and the car is not starting, like this one here. You can see. Of course, safety first. You have to ensure the car is on free gear mode and the handbrake. So when you try start the car and nothing, there's no power on the dash, and you try start your key, please don't panic. First of all, the car to run, there must be power. So let's check under the hood and check on our batteries. Good. And our batteries, when you try checking, it's located here. So we come, check the positive terminal. You can see it has a little play when you wiggle it, and of course the battery is good. I just changed it like a month ago. And let's check on the negative terminal. You can see. So with this light play, starting the car is going to be difficult. So what you need is a 10 range ring here, or a 10 range spanner, to make sure the terminal are going to tighten. But just before that, we need to clean the dirt or the dust. Using our cleaning spray here. The cleaning spray always you can purchase from your local store, just like that. Then we're going to do the same to the positive terminal, just like that. Good. Just give it like a minute to dry, because it dries very quick. Then we're gonna do fitting is the opposite of removal. And here goes our positive terminal in. So there are some terminals when you tighten completely, they're gonna break, but for this one, you just have to do a complete tight. We give it a torque, few pounds. Then we come to the negative terminal. Good. Until when you try to wiggle, there's no much play, or there is no play at all. The play is zero. Good. This cover here is just to prevent corrosion or the vapors from the terminals to our bonnet here. So don't worry about the tubing. So after this magic trick, let's start the car and wait for the moment of the truth. Our bonnet closed, so let's start this machine. Of course, there's a warning light here for the doors. Let me lock them. Good. Like I said, Security first, the car has to be free mode and the handbrake. Good. And now let's start our car. Good. Checked. And easy, very easy. So in case you have similar problem, don't panic or don't waste extra pounds or a few coins taking your car or calling a mechanic. This is something you can do unless there's another problem. But with that, always know that power comes from the battery to the starter, now to the flywheel. With that one set like that, the batteries just changed the other month, the car is good to go. It's been me, Makaa Nika. Remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up. God bless.